Hansel and Gretel are lost in the woods. Where, oh, where is the way home? They are lost in the woods, lost in the woods. Help them find their way home. Hansel and Gretel are lost in the woods. Where, oh, where is the way home? They are lost in the woods, lost in the woods. Help them find their way home.
Hansel and Gretel. There is a poor woodcutter. He has a son and a daughter. The boy is Hansel and the girl is Gretel. One day, their father marries an evil stepmother. Their stepmother says to their father,
"We are starving, so I will leave the children in the forest."
Hansel hears that. That night, Hansel picks up shiny stones.
We will find our home.
After Hansel hides the stones, he sleeps. The next day, the stepmother takes the kids to the forest. Hansel drops the stones on the ground. He thinks,
We can follow the stones home.
The stepmother says,
Wait by this big tree.
but she never comes back. Hansel and Gretel follow the shiny stones out of the forest. A few days later, the stepmother says,
Let's have a picnic in the forest.
Boo-hoo!
Gretel cries. She thinks,
Stepmother will leave us in the forest again.
but Hansel has no time to pick up shiny stones. Hansel drops breadcrumbs on the ground.
We can follow the breadcrumbs home.
But the birds eat all the breadcrumbs, and they can't find their home. Hansel and Gretel find a house. The house is made of cookies and cakes. Gretel shouts,
Look! A cookie house!
While Hansel and Gretel eat the cookies and cakes, a strange lady appears. She says,
Children, come inside and eat yummy food.
The lady is an evil witch. She says,
I like to eat kids.
she locks Hansel in a cellar. Gretel has to do housework. The witch boils some water to cook the children. But Gretel pushes the witch into the water.
Oh no!
Cries the witch. She falls into the boiling water. Hansel and Gretel take her jewels, and they run away. Hansel and Gretel find their home. Their father says, I am so sorry, but now your stepmother is gone. They live happily ever after.